What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
We're down in San Diego. We're gonna get on some saltwater stuff here. Just kind of looking for sand bass and stuff, whatever we can catch. But we got drop shot, little crankbait, little jig.
We're gonna catch
Mix it up.
so many fish.
Hopefully we'll catch some fish here in the winter, but something different. All right, see you guys. Let's fish right here, but you gotta do sidearm casts. Let me see your new setup here, guys. It's that reel I won, the Kuma. Got a nice 8-foot little saltwater. See all the current?
Okay, thank you.
Let me just feel the bottom.
I ride them.
So watch. You just get the bait and you just kind of drag. Watch. Real slow little drags. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Keep the tip up if you get a bite. Away.
Record it. It's a big. It's not.
Reel it. Keep reeling. It's a fish, dude. Keep going. Oh, did it come off?
No, it's gone.
Keep reeling.
Oh yeah. Keep reeling.
Yeah, you got a sand bass.
Yeah.
First cast. Keep reeling them up.
Keep reeling.
Look at this. Evan
Let's
with a spotty on the
Can you touch
boondock jig.
him? Can you touch him? Oh yeah.
Dude, heck
It's
yeah.
a sand bass.
That's awesome, dude.
Go.
First cast.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
First got our first
You hold
catch
him.
of the day.
He's just like regular bass. Just a little bit sharper teeth, but hold him tight.
No, just
He's a little
get-
guy.
Get
No.
Get out the hook.
Dude, first cast.
That
Yes.
You wanna know how long that took? I was actually counting. That took 41 seconds, literally.
Yes, guys.
Guys, watch this video and
Heck yeah.
comment the time that he caught this at. Comment how many seconds in he caught this fish
Well, I
at.
think they like the boondock little swim jig.
Guys,
Check.
no
You hold
cutting.
him.
We did not cut anything.
Just hold him tight. It's just like a little sandpaper. No, just like a regular bass.
It's normal.
Regular bass. Get your thumb in there. Hold him tight. Pinch tight. Hold him up.
Okay, I'm good.
Nice job. Okay, let's get the release. Let me get your rod.
Ready?
Get down there. Come over here on the rocks.
Like that. Let's do this one. Right?
Good job. Get down there. Nice sand bass, dude. Very good job. There he goes. He's out. High five, dude. Yeah, on the new setup, too. All right, we're back at it again. It's a cool little spot. Oh, that trip. This is the first time in a few years that I've been here. There's like no current. It's kind of still water. Little crankbait action. I want right away. That's what I want right there. Ooh. That's a different one. Right? It's like a kelp bass, right? Or a cow? I don't know. You guys will tell me. Oh, these things are so cool. So freaking cool, guys. Oh, so freaking cool. Woo. The train goes by. All right, guys. So that is I'm guessing, I don't know if that's Calico or a kelp bass. You guys tell me in the comments. I'm not good at this, but it's definitely not a sand bass, as far as I know. Let's get the release over. Alright, guys. Later. Sand bass. Let's go. Heck yeah. Yes. Heck yeah. That is so cool. So freaking cool. Alright, guys. Such sharp teeth, so cool. Just hammering the little Calico on the drop shot. Exactly what I've been using for largemouth during the winter. Catching them in the salt. Gosh, this fight's so hard. Yes. Sandy. Beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful fish. That guy was right up on the rocks. So cool. Little dude. Number 3 for the morning. High tide. Man, these are so fun. They're just like smallmouth where they fight. Yeah, it feels. This would feel like almost like a 2-pound bass. It's probably just what? A little guy. I mean, not even it's a half pounder. So much fun though. Oh, that's a better one. A little bit better. So cool. Those teeth. Nice little sharp teeth. Just so freaking cool. Sand bass. Oh, I keep releasing them here. Alrighty, number 4. Funny how I was saying they fight like smallmouth. I've got the smallmouth magic going for the little sandies. Just notice looking a 3-inch swing impact, 8-pound test, pretty light line. I could probably go heavier, but I just already had this on. That was fun, guys. I hadn't fished down here in a few years, and took me a little bit obviously to get that pattern, but it's so funny because it's exactly what I've been using right now for largemouth. Well, 3-inch Calico on the drop shot. Just on the high tide, finally got around those rocks. A little bit of seaweed and grass out there, and they're hanging there, and I got nice. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so got that little pattern right there, got 4 for that high tide. But once that tide started going out, it might slow down, but that's fun, guys. All right, see you on the next one.